So right away off the bat, a few things we found with this car is we got a small vacuum leak. The float levels are set just a little too high. Mixture screws are kind of not all really set very well. They're all about the same amount of turns, so we got to look into that. I think we got some old gas in it. I noticed the discharge nozzles, one puts out a little more than the other, so either one's plugged or one's too big. So we got our carburetors all taken apart. A few things we did find is one of the pump discharge nozzles was oddball, so we're gonna go ahead and replace that. And looking this carburetor up on Holly's list of carburetors, we found that the jets were in the opposite float bowls, so we're gonna go ahead and switch them back where they should be. And then we're gonna go ahead, we got 2 brand new kits from Holly. We're gonna put all brand new gaskets in and make sure these are leak free.